So naglalakad ako dito pero walang tao. There's no one here.
Arghentrock.
So guys, nakakita ko ng parang plant nursery here. So sana nakita kung sino yung in charge. Parang plant nursery to. Ayan, so daming plants dito. Daming plants pero walang tao. Mga mayana. Napakadaming mayana. Kawayan. So naglalakad ako dito pero walang tao. There's no one here. Ayan, I see someone. This is a golf course. It's right beside the golf course. Good morning po. Nagtitinda ho ba dito ng halaman? Good morning. So dito pala yung entrance. Good morning ho. Nagtitinda po ng halaman?
Pinadaw po kayo.
Tingin lang.
May ginagawa po kayo?
Ha? Sa vlog. Tsaka nagtitingin ng halaman.
Vlog lang.
Sige pa. Ayan, titingin tayo ng mga halaman na wala pa tayo. So, daming ano dito sa nursery. Napakadami. Ito po yung mga mayana niya. Tinawag ko po yung mga kasama ko, yung asawa ko. Napakadaming varieties dito. So medyo natutuyo sila sa init. So kailangan ng tubig. Ayan, napakadaming mayana. Mayana paradise. Ayan ang yung asawa ko. So yung nagkakanap. Sila yung nagtitinda. Hindi na sila bumaba, kotse. Ano ba yung anong kulay na yun? Tayo dito. Bromeliads. Umbrella plant. So napakadaming halaman dito. Hindi ko na alam kung ano itong mga ito. Wala. dito, oh. Napakadami, guys. Napakaganda dito. You don't know where to go. So I'm just walking. What kind of plant is this? So I'm just taking you on a walking tour, guys. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. What kind of plant is this, guys? Because I don't know what it is. This bamboo. Okay, let's go to our simpling Hardin. Walking tour, guys. Fire tree. I think this is fire tree. Display lang to. Huwag gala, iba yung nakita mo.
Ito, kasi wala.
Ito lang. Nandito lang siguro yun kasi lahat naman yata nang galing doon. Yung nandun galing dito.
Mamaya na lang po yan.
Ito meron kami ito. Sige, tingnan mo ulit. Oh, look at all these. So many plants, guys. So many plants. So pretty, so beautiful. Araucaria, Aglaonimas. May mga croton doon. Ito croton. Parang kami lang talaga tao dito. Parang napakatahimik. Kakunti dumadaan sa highway, sa road. So hindi tulad sa ibang halaman na mainging road. Okay, so ito yung plant nursery sa loob ng Eastridge. This is the plant nursery inside Eastridge Village. But there's hardly anyone here. So it's very peaceful, quiet. You can hear the birds, you can hear the cicadas in the trees. It's so peaceful. So many plants, we don't know which one to buy. But actually we're looking for a kind of coleus that we saw at the restaurant earlier. You know, Pearly's restaurant and garden. We saw a coleus plant there, a variety which we don't have yet. We're trying to find it because we were directed here by the waiter who said all the plants there came from here. Is that a nuno sa punso? Tabi-tabi po. Yeah, in the Philippines you have to respect the spirits of nature. This is a fiddle leaf area. So lots of fiddle leaf plants. So this is one of the best plant nurseries that we've been to. Because it's so peaceful compared to all the others. So right now we're the only ones here. There's no one else here. There, guys, that's a golf course. No one's around, no one's playing golf. No one's yelling for. This is a great place. So we're going to buy this one. Okay, thank you again for watching another episode. This is what we're buying, or we bought. So see you again next time. I hope you enjoyed this episode here in the Eastridge Plant Nursery.
Arghentrock.